What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tyra, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of these sweet Spotify frames. That's right, you guys have probably seen these all over TikTok, and the best part about it is you can actually scan this code and play the song on demand. Next level. All right, let's go through the supply list real quick. So what you'll need is you'll need a frame. I just got one of these floating frames from my local art store, but I think they also sell these at Walmart. I didn't even think about the construction sound. But yeah, next you'll need a white acrylic marker with a small tip if possible. You need some tape and some skizzles. But yeah, just stay tuned and I will show you guys how to make these. Let's get it rocking.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is use our phone to screenshot our favorite songs. I also recommend screenshotting the song's barcode by pressing the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. All right, next. So I went ahead and created a PowerPoint template for you guys. That link is down in the description box. To use this template, all you need to do is drag and drop your screenshots into place. So drag the Spotify screenshot into the back layer, drag the image of your choice into the middle layer, and what's really great about this PowerPoint template is that your photo will snap to the correct shape. So go ahead and crop your image how you'd like. And then lastly, if you guys screenshotted one of those Spotify barcodes, drop that into place as well. Here you see I'm going to go ahead and create another one following the same steps as before. Just click and drag all of your images into place. So let me know in the description box if you guys enjoyed this template and if it worked out for you. So next we're going to save this for print. So I went to Save As and choose PDF as the file format. And here it is. All right, it's lit. We're going to go print these right now. I had to ask my boyfriend for printer help, so hopefully this comes out in color this time. Is it?
Yep.
It is? Ah! Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is open up our frames. I could have did this off camera, but yeah, here we are. Alright, so I'm just gonna take off the top glass and just put it off to this side for now, because we're gonna work with this back frame first. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just trimming the outer edge off of my printout so I can see what I'm doing a little better. Alright, so I'm just using a little tape so that I can position my printout in the center of the frame. And then I'm just going to use a couple more pieces of tape on the outside to secure the top glass. I'm doing this so that the top glass doesn't move when I start tracing the Spotify graphics. Alright, and here's the tricky part. We gotta take our time, trace these letters as good as we can. This isn't gonna be perfect, but just know that you are perfect. Just know that, don't beat yourself up. But we do what we can, and that's as good as we can do. As long as you try, you can touch the sky. Are we talking about tracing? Okay. Alright, end of the motivational speech. But yeah, just go through, continue tracing all of the letters. No shame in using a ruler if you need to. Just stick as close to these shapes as possible, and yeah, it'll look good in the end, I promise. Okay, so this is the part that's actually important. If you want your song to play by scanning it with the Spotify scanner, you need to copy this code bar by bar. Do it as slow as you need to. I actually had to do this a couple times. But yeah, make sure this part is as good as you can possibly make it. The best part is if you make any mistakes, you can just wipe it off with some Windex and start again. You can do this as many times as you need to, as long as the code plays. And check it out, several barcodes later, we got a song! Alright, moving right along. We're gonna go ahead, take off this top glass, and the last thing we need to do is just trim out our image. Put a little piece of tape down to secure the image, and bam, you're done.
Alright guys, and that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment down below and let me know how it went for you. Let me know if your friend or your boyfriend loved this gift, because these are so cute. I always love doing the custom gift ideas. It just makes the gift extra special when you can put a personal touch to it. But yeah, once again, I'm Tyra. I thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. I actually have a template for you. You guys can download that template. It's down in the description box. And I hope you have a great day. All right, peace out.